3 weeks of work gone in a single command. But the commits weren't deleted, only the pointer was. Here's the safety net that saved them. Let's break down Git Reflog. Recover lost commits and branches, how it works, and the exact mistake behind that failure. Git Reflog, short for reference log, records every change to head, commits, resets, checkouts, merges, rebases, and amends. It's stored locally in Git log's head. Think of it as the black box flight recorder on an airplane. While Git log shows the passenger manifest, Reflog shows how the plane moved. The Reflog lives in Git log's head. Each line records the old SHA, new SHA, committer, timestamp, and action description. Git Reflog displays a simplified view with an index like head at 0, the SHA, and the action. Entries expire after 90 days for reachable commits and 30 days for dangling commits. To view the Reflog, run Git Reflog. To restore to a specific entry, use git reset hard head at 2. If you deleted a branch, grep for its name, Git Reflog grep feature payments. Then recreate the branch with git branch recovered branch A1B2C3D. Here are the essential Reflog commands. Git Reflog shows the log. Git reset hard head at 2 restores to that entry. To find a deleted branch, grep for its name. Then recreate the branch with git branch. You can also view Reflog for a specific branch or search for actions. This is the same issue we highlighted at the start. Here's exactly why that happened. A junior developer ran git branch d feature payments to delete an old local branch. But the branch contained commits that had never been pushed to remote. Git deleted the branch pointer, but not the commits. They became dangling objects. The developer didn't know about Reflog and assumed the work was gone forever. The developer ran git branch d instead of d, which deleted the branch pointer without checking if the branch was merged, causing the commits to become dangling objects. The fix was simple. A senior engineer ran git reflog head and found the entry, A1B2C3D head at 14, checkout, moving from feature payments to main. That SHA was the last commit on the deleted branch. They ran git branch feature payments A1B2C3D to restore the branch pointer, then pushed to remote. 3 weeks of work recovered in 30 seconds. Using git branch d forces deletion even if the branch has unmerged changes. This removes the branch pointer, but leaves the commits as dangling objects. Always use d to get a warning if the branch isn't merged. Reflog is strictly local. If you clone a repository, the reflog is empty. It only records movements on your machine. Never rely on Reflog as your only backup. Push important branches to remote. Reflog entries exist only on your machine. If you clone a repo, the reflog is empty. If your hard drive dies, the reflog is gone. Never rely on Reflog as your only backup. Push important branches to remote. Reflog is a recovery tool, not a backup strategy. Set up a CI job that runs git reflog expire. Unreachable equals now all, and in git gc aggressive on build agents to prevent reflog bloat. Developer machines should keep the default 90-day expiry. For critical repos, consider backing up git logs as part of your backup strategy. It's a small file that can save weeks of work. Reflog expiration is 90 days for reachable commits and 30 days for unreachable dangling commits. Running git gc garbage collection manually can expire entries early. Git reflog expire equals now all clears the reflog intentionally. Here's a quick debug guide. If you accidentally hard reset and lost commits, run git reflog head -20, find the SHA before the reset, then git reset hard SHA. For a deleted branch, grep for the branch name and recreate it. For a botched rebase, find the SHA before the rebase and reset. To recap, Git Reflog records every head movement for 90 days. It's your safety net for recovering deleted branches, undone commits, and botched rebases. But remember, Reflog is local. It doesn't sync to remote. Always push important branches to remote and run Git Reflog before panicking after a Git disaster. Ready to go deeper? Up next, Git merge strategies. Recursive, ours, theirs, and Octopus, then signed commits with GPG. Verify your identity in Git, then Git LFS, large file storage for Git repositories. Find them all at TheCodeForge.io. Thanks for watching. The full article and code examples are covered in detail at thecodeforge.io.